Hello friends, Abhishek welcome you all on the YouTube channel, the Options Desk. So today we are going to analyze the DJIA, the Dow and Jones Industrial Average, as today is Sunday and the markets will open tomorrow on Monday, that is 13th of April 2020. So as you can see, it is the timing currently in IST and the market will open at 7 p.m. IST. The American market was open and the DJIA is the American market's main index. So now let's see, analyze the support and resistance. On this basis, you can buy the support and resistance in the DJIA futures. So now let's go. As you can see, if you have not seen my video like how do I plot these levels, there's a video out completely in English. You can go and watch this so that you will know how I plot these levels and how accurate, or you can also try some at your end, and when you are satisfied then you can trade on my levels. So now let's see. As you can see, this is the price line for the DJI that is closed on around 9th of April as 10th of the Good Friday. So now let's assume what like to find an upper breakout. Upper breakout, should I find it here? Yeah, it should. Yeah, it should be my upper breakout. Firstly, let's assume what is the volatility. Let's check. The volatility is totally fine. There is not moving much, so this would be my upper breakout. Now let's go for the first target. First target assumed to be this. Okay, so I have already marked my first target. So keep noting the values at here, that is 23851 till 240 24,100 levels. So now let's mark the interim resistance, and now going to mark the interim resistance. I would definitely mark the interim resistance as here. Why as here? If you have seen my previous video, you will know how do I mark these levels, and it could also have been at this particular point, but due to the current market volatility I have shifted it up and could face definitely a resistance here. Why? Because the high of this candlestick here, the low of this candlestick, again at this particular zone you can see too much resistance it was facing, and on the other hand the low of this candlestick and the low of this candlestick. These candlesticks have been with high volume, as you can see the low of this candlestick too. So now let's mark the final resistance in the DJIA. I think I should mark this level as the final resistance. Why? Firstly, as you can see, these two candlesticks are declining it here, and this candlestick's low, and this candlestick low again approximately you can assume, and this when the market was declining, this candlestick's low, even though it was around the pin bar I could say, but this candlestick low again. So as you can see, the final resistance satisfies very clearly. So now let's move on to mark the lower breakout levels. There is a method by which I am marking these levels that is totally described in this latest video. How do I plot the levels in chart and how you can plot them totally in English. Okay, so if any American traders or any traders from outside the India is watching this, can definitely contact me and we can share with a new feature. So now let's see, start as you can see I would mark for DJI lower breakout as here. Why as here? So let me check. As you can see at this point facing resistance as here, and then at low of this candlestick, low of this candlestick, low of this candlestick here again, and then at this point the high of this candlestick. Yeah, so now you can see, and the low of this candlestick too, I have marked the lower breakout. Now let's mark the first target. As you can see, I would definitely mark it here. Why would I mark it here? Because this was the reversal zone, like market was going upside, but it tested this zone again and it went back to another level. So this would be the low approximately this candle. So that would be my first target. So now let's see, does it verify anywhere? Yeah, see the high of this candlestick and high of this candlestick verify my first target. So now let's mark the interim support. As you can see, there is no particular data before July, so we will shift our extend tool here only. So now let's assume what we have to mark. So I could mark the interim support as here, or somewhere as around here. Yeah, this I have marked as interim support. Just a moment, not marking. Yeah, why have I marked this at interim support? As you can see, there's you can see the low of this candlestick, approximately low of this candlestick again. And now let's see, do we have any other point of contact? POC, now finding a POC here. Now the low of this candlestick and low of this candlestick again, and the high of this candlestick. So that is not it is surety that 80% of the support would come in the near future, but not the final one. So now let's mark the final support, or where our DJI could take the final support. So I would think I would mark it at this level. There was a chance that I could have also marked the DJI support at this level, but considering the volatility, that would be, I think that this level would be fine, as there's the other two high volume candlestick like you can see here and here again. These are both the same lows, and also when the volume was here at this particular point, I would see, you can see the volume is all totally in green. The market was moving upside and it tested once, even in this bullish trend, tested once, and we have marked this level. So these are my levels for the upper breakout and lower breakout in the DJIA index futures. So you can trade in the futures and on any company. If the DJIA breaks on any, you can buy a call or put options on your basis. So let's see if the DJIA breaks and touches this line on Monday or not. So can we mark neither trend line? No, that would be enough for today. So let's see, I'm seeing a trend line from here till here. Yeah, we can assume it. So it definitely, I think it can go till the level of here. Let's do a more further analysis. Let's remove this volume for some time. Okay, set it as auto. So now let's see till what is the Fibonacci level ratio in the DJIA. We will do a complete analysis, means we are totally ready to take our trade. We just don't want to lose any sides. So as you can see, it has already hit the 50% level. It can go till 61%, maybe chances, but if it breaks, and as everyone knows, 61.8% is broken, it definitely rises above it. So it can test the 50, it is currently at the 50% level. DJI has reached it. There are chances that it can go down to, and it can break and test 61.8% level. So this is the chart analysis for DJIA. So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. And if you don't know how I plotted these levels, definitely go and watch my this video that is totally in English, and I hope you all will understand it. So please like, share and subscribe. You can also join me on Telegram, Twitter and TradingView both by clicking the links here. Thank you.